Hi guys, Big P here from Rains Performance. So I just wanted to make this little video. If you're getting this message here which says refill emissions additive starting preventing 750 miles, and you got that little urea light at the bottom. Now what that is it's asking for AdBlue. So I'm going to show you now on the C4 Grand Picasso. This is for the 2015 model. So I think they were facelifted in 2016, so it's slightly different on that. I can't show you in this, but I'll indicate you roughly where it is on the 2016 model. But this is sort of the I think it's the Mark II Grand Picasso. I remember the first ones. There was a Zara, and then there was the first Grand Picasso, and then there was this one. I'll show you outside which model it is, and I'll show you how to fill the AdBlue onto it. So it's this shape of car here. So if you've got one which looks like this, the 7-seat version, the Grand Picasso, you have to come to the boot and open the boot, as I've already done. I've got a 10-litre AdBlue there, which should be enough to switch the light off. The spout is usually in the side there, if you didn't know. So you peel that sticker off and there's a spout there which screws to the top. So most times it's hidden under there. And I have seen times where people are trying to put funnels on and don't realise there's actually a spout in there. So just so you know, so this is the third row obviously here. So once you peel this back, you've got your third row seating there. On the 2016, I believe it's there in that gap there, but on this model you have to lift your seat up, and there's this little black cap here. If you unscrew that, then you've got this little blue cap, and then you put your spout into there and you fill it up. So you can see it's going in there. I made a bit of a mess of it putting it in, but you can wipe that. Make sure you wipe it because it crystallizes and goes all white. Not the first time I've done that, but there you go. So it's all going in now, so we'll put all that in and then we'll check it at the front. I would recommend in this, I think that last time when I checked it was a 15-litre tank, but if you put 10 litres in, it should be enough to switch the light off, and then you can take it from there. So we'll fill this up and then I'll go around to the front and show you. So I've just filled it up, given it a quick wipe over, a quick spray, because you don't want to leave any of that behind. The tank's empty now, so we'll just go back around to the front and start it up to see if the light's gone off. Sometimes it doesn't go off, and once you start driving you'll find it'll start registering it then, but I'm hoping it's gonna have gone off now. Yep, see that urea light has just gone off. Obviously my service light's still on, telling me that I'm late for a service, and that's it now. All we've got is the door and the boot open. So that's gone off, the urea light's gone off, and the service thing doesn't come up to say that your car won't start in 750 miles. And that's all it is. You just have to fill it up with the AdBlue. You can use most AdBlues in the Citroen. I know some cars are sensitive to it, so check with your manufacturer if you have to use the correct one. But in Citroen I've always used sort of anything you buy. Anything you buy at the petrol station, 4/4. This one is a Red X AdBlue, and a mate of mine had that and gave it me for nothing, so I was quite good with that one. And he bought it for a Jaguar, and then Jaguar told him he couldn't use it. So yeah, that's it. So that's it for today, guys. Like and subscribe to the channel. We've got lots more videos coming through. That's for the Citroen C4 Grand Picasso up to a 2015. In the 2016, like I said, it's at the front of the seat, so you can always check that. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any comments, drop them below. Thank you.